Welcome to Universe Unleashed, where we investigate space's most stunning secrets. Get ready to expand your mind. Curiosity 3. Diamond Rain. Imagine a place where it doesn't just rain water, it rains diamonds. This is the reality on Neptune and Uranus. Beneath their blue clouds, extreme pressures and temperatures squeeze carbon into diamonds that fall like raindrops through the atmosphere. So next time it's pouring outside, just think, in some distant part of our solar system, it's literally raining jewels. If you're enjoying the video, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us create more videos like this one.